Hey there, dog lovers. Ever wondered why your furry friend loves to roll in the stinkiest stuff they can find? Whether it's something dead, something that's, well, gone bad, or even poop. That look of pure joy on their face as they wriggle around is enough to make any dog owner cringe. Today, we're uncovering 3 unexpected reasons behind this smelly behavior. You might be surprised to learn that it's not just about driving us crazy. We're going to dive deep into the mind of a dog and understand why they do the things they do. Stay tuned! You see, dogs experience the world through their noses. Their sense of smell is their primary way of understanding and interacting with their environment. While we humans rely heavily on our vision to navigate the world, dogs use their noses to gather information about everything around them. Their sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 times stronger than ours. This incredible olfactory ability allows them to detect even the faintest of scents, which can tell them a lot about their surroundings. From the presence of other animals to changes in the environment. What we might consider a disgusting stench is, for them, an explosion of information. Each scent carries a story, a history of what has happened in that spot. To a dog, sniffing a pile of trash or a patch of dirt is like reading a detailed book filled with fascinating tales. And sometimes, they want to blend in with that information, to camouflage themselves. This behavior is not just about curiosity, it's a strategic move rooted in their survival instincts. Imagine your dog's wild ancestors, wolves, out in the wild. These majestic creatures roamed vast territories, relying on their keen senses to hunt and survive in a world filled with dangers and opportunities. They need to hunt to survive. Every hunt is a test of their skills, patience, and ability to remain undetected until the perfect moment to strike. Now, if the prey always smells the wolf coming, they're going to run away, right? Prey animals are constantly on high alert, using their own senses to detect predators and escape before it's too late. So what's a wolf to do? They need to find a way to get close to their prey without being detected. This is where their incredible sense of smell and strategic thinking come into play. They use their incredible sense of smell to their advantage. By understanding the scents around them, they can navigate their environment more effectively and plan their approach to their prey. By rolling in strong natural odors like those from decaying animals or plants, they can mask their own scent. This clever tactic helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for their prey to detect them. This allows them to approach their prey undetected. With their scent masked, they can get much closer to their target, increasing their chances of a successful hunt. It's a survival tactic passed down through generations, ingrained in their DNA. Young wolves learn these behaviors from their elders, ensuring that the knowledge and skills needed for survival are preserved and passed on. Now, your pampered pooch might not need to hunt for their dinner, but that instinct to mask their scent with something pungent, that's still there. Even though they live in a world of comfort and security, the ancient instincts of their wild ancestors still influence their behavior. It's a primal urge, something deeply rooted in their nature. These behaviors are a reminder of their wild heritage, a connection to the untamed world from which they came. So, the next time your dog finds the most disgusting thing to roll in, remember, they're not trying to gross you out. They're simply following an ancient instinct, a behavior that has been honed over thousands of years. They're tapping into their inner wolf, embracing their wild heritage. This behavior is a fascinating glimpse into the complex and rich history of our canine companions, a testament to the enduring legacy of their wild ancestors. Dogs are social animals. They thrive on interaction, not just with humans but with their fellow canines as well. This social nature is deeply ingrained in their behavior and communication methods. They communicate with each other all the time, and not just through barking and tail wags. These are just the surface level signals we easily recognize. But there's a whole world of communication happening beneath the surface. Scent is their language, their way of leaving messages for other dogs. When a dog sniffs the ground or another dog, they're reading a complex story written in scent. This story can tell them about the other dog's age, sex, health, and even their emotional state. Think of it like a message in a bottle, except instead of a bottle, it's, well, something a lot less pleasant. Dogs have scent glands in their paws and fur, and when they roll in something smelly, they're picking up that scent and carrying it with them. When your dog rolls in something smelly, they're picking up that scent and carrying it with them. It's like they're collecting a souvenir from their adventure, a way to remember where they've been and what they've found. It's like they're saying, hey everyone, I was here, and I found this. This behavior might seem odd to us, but to dogs, it's a way of sharing their experiences and discoveries with their pack. It's their way of marking their territory, sharing their adventures, and letting other dogs know what they've been up to. This scent marking is a crucial part of their social structure and helps maintain harmony within the group. This scent marking behavior is especially common in multi-dog households or areas where dogs frequently gather. In these environments, dogs are constantly exchanging information through scent, creating a dynamic social network. It's their way of establishing a social hierarchy, letting other dogs know their place. By leaving their scent, dogs can assert dominance or show submission, helping to prevent conflicts and maintain order within the group. It's like they're leaving their business card at the park saying, I was here, this is my spot. This behavior is not just about marking territory, but also about creating a sense of familiarity and security in their environment. So, the next time your dog comes home smelling like they took a bath in a dumpster, remember they're not just trying to clear out the room, they're bringing back a piece of their adventure, a story told through scent. They're communicating, sharing their experiences with the world in their own unique way. This behavior is a testament to their rich social lives and their need to connect with others, both human and canine. It's up to us to try and understand their language, even if it takes a strong stomach. By learning to appreciate these behaviors, we can deepen our bond with our furry friends and better understand their world. Chapter 3. A World of Smells. We humans, we're visual creatures. Our eyes are our primary tools for navigating and understanding the world around us. We take in the beauty of a sunset, the intricate details of a painting, and the vastness of a mountain range through our sense of sight. We rely on our eyes to experience the world. From reading a book to watching a movie, our visual sense is constantly engaged, helping us interpret and interact with our surroundings. But dogs? They experience the world through their noses. Their sense of smell is not just a tool, it's their primary way of understanding everything around them. While we see the world in colors and shapes, dogs perceive it in layers of sense. Their sense of smell is their superpower, their way of understanding everything around them. It's how they gather information, recognize friends, and even detect danger. For dogs, every scent tells a story, and their noses are constantly at work, deciphering these aromatic tales. Imagine a world painted in a million different scents, each one telling a story. From the faintest whiff of a distant flower to the strong aroma of a nearby barbecue, every scent adds a new layer to their understanding of the world. That's the world your dog lives in. Think about it. While we might notice a few distinct smells in a park, your dog is picking up on hundreds, if not thousands, of different scents, each one providing a piece of the puzzle that makes up their environment. When you walk into a bakery, you smell the sweet aroma of fresh bread. It's a delightful, singular experience that brings a smile to your face and maybe even makes your mouth water. Your dog, they smell the yeast, the flour, the sugar, the butter, all the individual ingredients all at once. It's not just the final product they detect, but every component that went into making it. For them, it's like reading the recipe with their nose. It's an explosion of sensory information. Each sniff provides a wealth of data, allowing them to understand the world in a way we can only imagine. So, when your dog encounters a particularly pungent smell, even one that makes you want to hold your nose, they might just be enjoying the experience. To them, it's a rich tapestry of scents, each one more intriguing than the last. It's like they're indulging in a sensory smorgasbord, savoring every last note of that complex aroma. What might seem overwhelming or unpleasant to us is a delightful experience for them. It's easy to forget that our dogs experience the world so differently than we do. Their noses are their primary tools for exploration, and they use them with the same enthusiasm and curiosity that we use our eyes. What we might find repulsive, they might find fascinating, even pleasurable. That strong, earthy smell that makes you cringe. To your dog, it's a treasure trove of information and delight. So the next time your dog rolls in something smelly, try to see it from their perspective. They're not trying to be difficult or gross, they're simply enjoying a sensory experience that we can't fully appreciate. It might be a strange form of enjoyment, but hey, who are we to judge? After all, our dogs bring so much joy and companionship into our lives. Understanding their unique way of experiencing the world can only deepen our bond with them. So next time you take your dog for a walk, Let them take their time to sniff around. It's their way of exploring, learning, and enjoying the world. Embrace their curiosity and appreciate the incredible power of their sense of smell. In a world of smells, your dog is the ultimate connoisseur. Celebrate their unique abilities and enjoy the journey of discovery together. So, the next time your dog decides to roll in something smelly, remember these reasons, and try to see the world from their perspective. It's not always about making our lives difficult, although sometimes it might feel that way. Often it's about instinct, communication, and pure sensory enjoyment. Understanding why our dogs do the things they do, even the smelly things, helps us build a stronger bond with them. It's about respecting their nature, embracing their quirks, and loving them for the furry, sometimes stinky creatures they are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more doggy insights.